Hey everybody, it is Erin Reed from Erin Reed Makes. Take a look and see how cute these ornaments are. These are using Dollar Tree Christmas ornaments in a bell shape that are made out of wood and some vinyl from Art and Crafty, all cut with my Cricut, with my cut files, which you can find in my store. All right, I'm gonna show you how fast and easy it is to make these little guys. So I found these cute little bell-shaped wooden cutouts at the Dollar Tree a little while ago, and I just thought they were awesome. They had a whole bunch of other fun shapes, and I just fell in love with these little bells. I believe you can still get these online, so there's links for all the supplies I'm using and down in the information section. So I'm going to pair this with the Art and Crafty luster vinyl, and I have red and green, gold and silver, and we're going to cut out some fun shapes and attach them to our little wooden ornaments for a quick and easy ornament. All right, let's do some cutting now. So for most of the pieces I cut on my Cricut, I cut just the joy and the stars separately. And I'm just gonna cut out this little section right here just to make it easier for the weeding part. Just separate everything out. But I did on the gold one, I cut out, if you can see that there's three. There's the joy, there's the stars separate, and then here I have the joy with the stars. So I'm gonna do all the rest of them, switch and swap, flip and flop all the colors, but one of them I'm gonna keep gold on gold. Now it's time to weed everything. I'm gonna pull from the edge and leave behind the parts that I want. So I'm just gonna put my little tool here and just make sure that all the pieces, some are gonna come really nicely, some of them need a little bit of help. All the pieces I want are gonna stay behind. So just kind of keep pulling and pulling. I can worry about the inside bits in a minute. There we go. So just kind of keep pulling. And so as you can see, all the other bits are left behind. All right, I gotta do it for all of these cuts now. So I have cut all the vinyl out, weeded out everything, and then separate all the pieces. So I have my 4 joy letters and my 4 colors, my 4 stars, trios of stars here, and then I have my 1 joy with all of my stars together. And you can find all these cut files on my website, Erin Reed Makes, and you can get them as independent joy, stars, or combined, plus some other fun cut files, especially made for Christmas. It is super easy. This is a transfer tape, and I'm just gonna do the one that is combined with everything. I'm just going to rub this to make sure I get everything transferred. I'm going to place this on top of my wooden ornament so the joy lines up nice and straight. It's okay if you're a little off. It's not, I mean, the words are kind of loopy and it's kind of cool, so it doesn't matter. Rub again, make sure everything is on there. There we go, and then peel this bad boy off. So there is our first one, and I love that luster. It looks like it's like a gold sheen, and those little extra stars look super cute. All right, let's do a multicolored one now. So I can reuse the same transfer tape. Let's go with the red this time. Rub, rub, rub. So the first step is I'm gonna put down my words. So place my word exactly where I want it. Use my little tool. Rub, rub, rub. Pull it off, so easy. And look how pretty. That one's got like this really pretty, it almost looks like it's just been brushed on there. It's so gorgeous. So now I'm gonna take and I'm gonna do the silver stars with this color, and I'm gonna do them as that same transfer tape. I haven't changed anything. So I've got my first little trio, and I'm gonna come up right about here. And I can orientate it however I want to. So I'm gonna do one right here. A little different than what I did on the last one. Rub again, pull it off, and I got my first little trio of stars. Now I'm gonna come in and do my second trio of stars. And I'm just gonna repeat the same process. Transfer this over. So I'm gonna do the same as before. Pick where I wanna have this one. I'm gonna put this guy right about here. Seems like a fun place for it. So right in there. Transfer, transfer. And place, and look how cute. And I'm gonna do my last one. This one I'm gonna do a little bit differently. I'm gonna place 2 of the stars over here, the 2 little guys, and then leave the big star and place the big star up here. So you can spread them out and change it up. You can have them all mix and match. There's no wrong or right reason to this. You can really have fun kind of playing around. You can have them overlapping the word. You can place them down here. I mean, you can really have a ton of fun with that. All right, so I'm gonna mix and match my last set of words and stars and on my last few bells, and then we're gonna finish them up. So there they are, super cute, super easy, a little bit of a cut file on a wooden ornament. The last thing to do is put a little hanger on them. So in the package from Dollar Tree, these little twine strings came in there. Just tie them through, tie a quick little top knot, just an overhand knot in here. So take a look at these super fast and easy ornaments, just with a little bit of some luster vinyl from StyleTech Craft. The little bell ornament, wood ornament pieces came from Dollar Tree, and just cutting them out on my Cricut with my cut files you can find in my store. So fast, so easy. You can add these to bags as bag tags and add the person's name on the background. Ornaments you can hang from your tree, gifts to give people. You can even put the year on the back as something fun. So thank you guys so much for joining me and learning how to make these super cute Joy bell ornaments. And please don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell button. All supply links are down below, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye everybody.